Everybody, it's me, Saran Baker, and Covered by Saran, where we help people protect income, eliminate debt, and create generational wealth. Today, I'm coming to you with just five myths of life insurance. So let's get started. Let's get right into it. Myth number one: insurance through work or through my job is all I need. That's a myth. Really, having work insurance is good because it's usually super duper cheap. But the reality is we need more than our work insurance because there are things that happen in our lives. The job could end, you could lose your insurance, and it's not necessarily portable. You can retire, it's not always portable. The other thing is that work insurance is what we call group term insurance. That's typically what it is. And all it is really a death benefit. Usually it's only one year of your full salary. So if you make $50,000, the policy is $50,000. Some may have like a plus 5,000 or something like that. Some might even have a multiplier where you do 2 or 3 years of income, but essentially that's it. That's all you get. It's missing a whole bunch of other features that we're going to get into in some later videos, but it's missing what we call living benefits. And I'm going to dig deep into those later. Myth number two: I'm young, I'm single, I don't have any kids, so I don't need life insurance. Well, that's not true. Even if you're not a dependent, you still need life insurance for various expenses. The other thing is you do want to get it while you're young, single, and free, because it's going to be super duper affordable for you. And you can use it as a powerful vehicle and a powerful tool, which we're going to go into some strategic ways to use it. But the best time to get it is when you're in your 20s and 30s, because you can use those strategies now and start compounding them. Myth number three: I'm the breadwinner, so I'm the only one who needs to protect my income. If you have a spouse at home who is an at-home spouse, husband or wife, you want to make sure that they're protected too, because losing that spouse or something happening to that spouse, maybe they become ill. And unfortunately, in these days, we have a lot of illnesses out here: cancer, heart attack, stroke, blindness. People could, just so many things that could happen. What if something happened to that spouse who's at home taking care of the home? You still need to have something there to protect them. Also, you want to guarantee their insurability. You want to make sure you have these things in place. And it's the same thing for myth number two for our young people. Myth number four: I don't need to review my coverage regularly. Just get that out of your mind. You should be reviewing any type of coverages that you have. Today we're talking about life insurance, but you should be taking a look at it every year to 2 years. You want to look and make sure it's still meeting your needs, because guess what? Things have changed in your life. Maybe you got married, maybe you got divorced, maybe you had a kid, maybe you adopted a kid. Who knows? All these things happen. Maybe you changed jobs. Maybe you got a promotion and you're making more money. There's so many strategic reasons why you want to take a quick look at it. And if you need someone to do that quick policy review, I'm available. I'm happy to help. But you really want to make sure that you review this coverage regularly, because not reviewing it could mean a loss of money, a loss of opportunity, things like that, because there's so many other strategic ways to do it. 5, insurance is only to protect you after you die, that you'll never benefit from it. You can benefit from life insurance right now. There are so many strategic ways that you can use life insurance that most people don't talk about, because all they talk about is death when it comes to it. But really, it's life insurance. It's not death insurance. It's for you to use while you're living. It's for you to use for as a strategic tax vehicle if you choose to. It's for you to use for a way to build up some tax-free retirement. It's for you to use for a debt-free strategy. Definitely got to get with me on that one. That one you're going to love. Debt-free strategy. The debt-free, how many of you are struggling with debt right now? You have no way to know how you're going to get out of it. I mean, you look good on the outside. You got a nice house, you got a nice car, but you got a lot of debt because you own a house, you own a car, and oh, by the way, you went to college, so you still have those school loans because they weren't set up for you to pay them off. We can talk about that later. But you can use it now. There's so many ways to do it. There's things called living benefits. What if you have a medical catastrophe that you weren't expecting? You go to the doctor and you were just fine, and the next thing you know, you have something that is going to put you out of work. And guess what? The medical insurance is going to run out at some point. Medical insurance is not going to cover your daily living. It's not going to cover your mortgage, but life insurance can if something like that happens. But again, I'm just your girl Saran here, just dropping some knowledge. So again, these are just 5 myths. We're gonna have some more. So we're gonna have some more. We're gonna be myth busting because we gotta make some changes in our lives so that we can get the full use and the full value of some of these vehicles that are out here. Because why are we wasting our time getting less than 1% in a savings account or anywhere else when you could be doing so many more strategic things? Anyway, I'm your girl Saran Baker. Just hit like, share, comment, set up some time with me. Or you can reach out to me at saran10k.com and you can get on my calendar. Have a great day.